Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can take a cardboard box and make a tray out of it for putting your plants in. So rather than using some trays like these, this is a smaller version of the typical 72 cell seed starter tray. So rather than using something like this, to stick a pot into, and then have it collect the water, you can use cardboard boxes or trays like these. This one, as you can see, had some LED light bulbs in it. And I'm going to be making one out of this because I like the fact that this is fairly shallow. You can also take a regular box and using a box cutter, cut it down to the height you want to as well. So to make a tray, you need to have the box you want to make the tray out of, a large enough bag, and this is one from the Men's Warehouse. I noticed it's pretty big for this, and you want to slip this in here. And sometimes the bags could have punctures in there, so you want to make sure the bag is in good shape. Also, you could just fold it over as opposed to slipping it in there if you wanted to. I prefer to slip it in there because it's a lot neater. So then you will take the other side and fold it to the back. And using some postal tape, you will go postal on it, taping it down. You could also use lawn bags for your lawn clippings or for leaves if you wanted to. I like the clear ones for this purpose. So I folded it down, but you see, that's not working. So what you need to do is make sure there's enough slack. See, the problem when you do these as a demonstration and you show people and then you have to undo it versus just doing it right the first time, you want to make sure this is filling in the slack. So I'm going like this, like that. So as I push this in and work my way to the front to know where it continues from, I can then go back and then tape it accordingly. So now I have it taped, and if there is a little bulge, that's fine, but now I can go ahead and tape this up to be nice and tidy. See, I have a little pocket here. You wouldn't want to accidentally water and get water soaking up in there. That will reduce the life of your tray potentially. So you want to make sure you get that secure. You can also take the corners and fold it in if you wanted to. And then tape it around so then you don't have a point. You don't want to put tape on the inside of the tray because that just will not last very long with water. And here I go. I'm going to just put a few things in here just to test it out. I have some peperomia peppermill that I've propagated. And there we go. I can still fit more plants in here. And it should hold water. And that is how you can save you $1.50 and make your own tray to water your plants in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and happy planting.